This video tutorial explains how to wirelessly connect the CINENORM series monitor to a Canon R5 II camera via Wi-Fi. First, set up the camera, press Menu to open the menu. Navigate to the Network Function tab, select Connect to EOS Utility. Choose Add a device to connect to, select New Settings, and then choose Wi-Fi. Select Camera Access Point Mode, followed by Easy Connection, and click OK. Take note of the camera's password. Next, proceed with the monitor. Tap the monitor screen to bring up the menu. Select External Device Connection, tap Wi-Fi, and turn Wi-Fi on. In the Add New Device section, choose the corresponding camera device. Enter the camera password correctly and confirm. Wait about 10 seconds, then exit the connection interface. The camera will now display the Start Pairing Device screen. Select OK on the camera. Press Menu to exit the menu on the camera. When you tap the monitor screen and the camera control panel pops up, it means the camera has been successfully connected. For future connections, you won't need to re-enter the password. Simply select the camera device from My Devices on the monitor, and the connection will be established after a short wait. Tap REC to start or pause camera recording. Tap Iris to adjust the camera aperture. Tap Shutter to adjust the shutter speed. Tap ISO to adjust the camera sensitivity. Tap Focus. When the camera is in AF mode, you can perform touch focus. When in MF mode, you can adjust focus using buttons on the monitor. Tap Recording Mode to switch the camera recording mode. Tap WB to switch white balance modes. When white balance is set to K, tap CT to adjust the color temperature. When ISO is set to auto or the camera is in an automatic shooting mode, tap EV to adjust the exposure value. That's all for the tutorial on wirelessly connecting the CINENORM series monitor to a Canon R5 II camera via Wi-Fi.